welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to cook a very exciting Indo-Thai grilled chicken. This has been inspired from the traditional style of grilling chicken which Thai people use. I have modified it based on the spices that are available here in Mumbai, India. But although it has been modified, it makes a delicious flavor which you will fall in love with. And do not get carried away with the Thai cooking, because whenever people hear the foreign sounds of cooking, they think that it's not within their limits to cook a certain dish and they don't go for it. But actually it's extremely easy, provided you keep a certain sauces in your pantry. It is extremely easy. And just to give a heads up of Thai cooking benefits, then Thai cooking is considered to be rich in various immune boosting foods. For example, galangal, which is a traditional Thai ginger. It almost resembles the Indian ginger, but it has more medicinal values as compared to the traditional Indian ginger that we use. Apart from that, they use extensively lemongrass, and lemongrass is known to cure various viral infections. It is useful against cold, cough, flu, also known to treat a lot of stomach ailments. They use a lot of chilies, which are again a source of antioxidants, a lot of fresh turmeric, black pepper, coriander or cilantro. Now, the difference between the usage of these herbs in Indian cuisine and their cuisine is that they use it in bulk, and they use a raw form of it in sliced or grated on their soups, on their salads, and which is why their food turns out to be much healthier. So if you understand the benefits which various cuisines have to offer, and if you simplify these cuisines, we can definitely adopt the best that the world has to offer us. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. You will need half a bunch of cilantro, 1 inch of ginger, 10 pods of garlic, 5 to 7 stalks of lemongrass, 15 peppercorns, 1 tablespoon jaggery, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce or 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 4 whole Kashmiri red chilies soaked in water, 1 to 1.5 lemon based on the size, and 600 grams of chicken. Cooking time will vary if you use boneless chicken. Give a vertical slit to the lemongrass stalk and peel it open. It peels just like a flower until you find a soft, whitish, tender part inside. This is the part that we'll be using. The top layers are highly fibrous and cannot be used. Now chop these stalks very finely. Crush black peppercorns into a fine powder using a grinder. To this we add ginger, garlic, soaked whole red chilies, soy sauce, fish sauce or oyster sauce, lemon juice, jaggery, and blend it into a very fine paste using a little water. Authentic Thai recipe uses galangal or Thai ginger and sambal oleg sauce in place of the red chilies, but here we can substitute it with our Indian ingredients. So I have used the Indian ginger and our Kashmiri red chilies. Add some salt to taste, and bear in mind that our sauces already have salt in them, so use it cautiously. Now rub this marinade along with some chopped lemongrass and cilantro on the chicken very well, and let this sit in the refrigerator, preferably overnight, but if you're in a rush to cook it, at least leave it for about an hour. If you're using a grill pan like I am, you can brush or spray some oil on the grill pan. If not, you can just pour 2 tablespoons of oil on your non-stick pan and start grilling the chicken. Fry it on a high flame for the first minute to give it a slight coloration. Post which, cover it and cook it on a medium flame for about 7 minutes. Now drizzle a little oil on the second side of the chicken. Flip this chicken and cover and cook it for another 7 minutes on a medium flame. It takes about 15 minutes by this method on a pan. If you're using an oven, preheat your oven and bake it at 165 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Eat this as an appetizer or serve it with noodles. Time for a taste test, and I simply cannot resist this. It looks delicious. I'm having this with sauteed mushrooms, and I'm going to post a link of that recipe in the description box. Cheers. Amazing. It tastes even better than our traditional tandoori chicken, and you must try this. It's a very simple, quick fix and very flavorful recipe.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.